Hello guys, this is the series part 4, trying to find out why my car doesn't push the 17 psi. In this video I still working with the Prophet, but I still having issues trying to figure out why it keeps doing that. At the end I end up taking the Prophet. I put a manual boost controller, but even with the manual boost controller I was still having problems. So in this video is me showing all the steps that I did, everything, all the hiccups that I had, so you guys can see what happened, and then you guys will find out how we fix it. All right guys, see you in the next. Before I was only pushing 17 psi, I couldn't pass it, and that's why, because of the mag valve. So on top it goes straight from the top all the way to number 2 on the mag valve, but supposedly you have to go turbo reference, which is this one. I'm gonna be connected to the compressor. It should be number 1 turbo reference that goes over here, and over here number 3 vented. But if I do that setup, this is what happens. It's working and everything, and over here it's gonna be hard to see it, but it's 22 right now. But if I go up, I'm on 80, it's still saying 22. It doesn't want to do nothing. I'm all the way in 100. Let's go and see on 0, still 22. I'm gonna disconnect really fast the air reference, so it's quiet. Now it got shut off. I just want to say that was a big pull that I did, and then I stopped spooling. So now the valve is completely shut off, supposedly. So if my controller is telling me that I got 29.2, but if I want to push more, I'm going up on the set, was on 20. It's not doing nothing. 40, 60%. It's going down. 28.6. Let's go and put 100. 28.5 instead of going up. So now let's go and go back 0. And now I'm gonna be moving the connection. Instead of going side to side, I'm gonna be going 3 and 2. So turbo reference is gonna be going on 3, and then 1 is gonna be open, which is the breather. Let's go and see if it starts working now. 28.9. There you go. But in this setup, it's going down. So let's go and say if I go to 0%, it shut off in the front, and now I'm going all the way to 26, 27, 28, 29. So now if I start going up, let's go and say 25%, is gonna go down. Why? I don't know. No, not 25. Let me see. 30. There you go. So right now it's releasing air. It should be, when you go on the set up, it should be higher, but I don't know why. I've already tried all the setups that I can do. Maybe something is connected wrong or something like that, but I checked everything. So it's going 27, but if I go all the way to 50, it's releasing more air. 22, 21, 20. But after the 50, it's gonna start going back up. I think it's on 70. Let me see. So 20, 21, and that's 21.5. So let's go and see 80%. Now it's going higher. 21, 22. Let's go and see 90. 23, 24, and now let's go and say 100. It's gonna shut off and it's gonna go all the way to the maximum of what I got set up the air compressor, which is around like 29 to 30 pounds. So if I want to go in my setup to 25 psi, I'm gonna be going to 38. So right now it's releasing air. I'm gonna erase it in the bottom, which is over here. So I got 25.6. $23.4. So let me go a little bit higher. 39. I guess 40. Let me see if I got a leak somewhere. There you go. 24.6, 25, 25.9, 26. 26.2, so 37%. Yep, it's 37, it's not 38, sorry. So now 25.9, 25.6. That's what I'm looking for 25 psi. Maybe something electronically is wrong, not sure, but it should be the higher psi that you control or you control it should be going up, but it doesn't. So hopefully this is the final setup that I'm gonna be doing with the car about rerouting the lines and all that stuff. So I've removed the one from the top and now we're gonna be working only with the bottom one. I have the whole lines. I got both lines, but the other one is hiding in the back. So both lines over here, but only working on one. Then it's gonna be coming from that way to here, to this one. Then from here is gonna be coming to this boost controller manual. This one I got it from Amazon. It costs like $20-$30, and then it runs from here to the boost controller. The G-Ready, I only got the G-Ready connected only to show me how many psi I'm pushing. The meth kit is not working, as you guys can see, disconnected. And then from here is coming to a V shape, double V shape basically. So one is gonna be coming to this one, and the other one is gonna be going to this side. This blow valve, you have to have both ports covered, because if not, one side is gonna be getting air, but the other side is gonna be spraying the air out. I don't know why, but this one, it works like that. That's one of the issues that I was having. And the other issue it was that I was getting signal or boost signal supposedly from here to the blow valve, but this is vacuum. That showed me one of my friends, he got the Elantra 1.6 turbo hatchback, and I just covered this. So now with this setup, I can even push more than 30 psi. Obviously my whole problem, it was this, and obviously yesterday I lowered the springs, so we will see now how much it's pushing the car.